Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well. We need to finish up this last little bit of 4-3, which is just factoring when the leading coefficient is just 1. So you have these notes, so go ahead and get them out. And we're going to do what I call the FOIL set equal to 0 factor and solve. Okay. This mostly applies to word problems. Don't get excited. We are not doing number 7. We're only going to focus on number 6. And what we have here is we need to find, let's go ahead and fill that in. X plus 7, X plus 2. So what we're going to do is we need to find values of X that we can fill in there to get an area of 84. Now, I know what you're thinking. I already know this without solving it, which is great. But there will be problems where you can't. So we're going to work with something easy and then we'll get to something a little harder. All right. Area of a rectangle. Oh, I hope you all know this. What is the area of the rectangle? Length times width. Okay. So let's go ahead. Remember, you're doing this with me. So we're going to fill in X plus, whoa. Stop. We know what the area is. 84. 84 equals X plus 7 and X plus 2, okay? And we need to solve that. But the problem is it's not equal to 0. And in order to solve anything, it must be equal to 0, okay? Well, I can't subtract 84 on both sides because I have this mess right here. So that's where our steps come in. And our step 1 is FOIL. Oh. Well, okay, hold on. Now you know step 2. So sorry. All right, so let's FOIL. So we have 84 equals, go ahead and FOIL. And that should be x squared. Okay, now, so we have 2x plus 7x is 9x. I'm hoping at some point you could be able to do this without writing out the middle terms. You should be able to do that in your head. Good. All right, now, we're so close, but now we have to set it equal to 0. So we're going to subtract 84. And we get, let me get rid of that. Go away. All right. So we're left with 0 equals x squared plus 9x minus 70. Yeah, we're ready to go by factoring and solving. So we have to factor that. And you should get, we're looking for two numbers whose product is negative 70, adds up to 9. Ooh, I wonder what that can be. And that is x minus 5 and x plus 14. So now when we set that equal to 0 and solve, for this problem we have to add 5 to both sides, so x equals 5. And we have to subtract 14 and get negative 14. But we're not done because we have a word problem. And here we would be done normally, but this is area. Well, what's going to happen if I plug negative 14 in there? I'm going to get negative 7. Can we have a negative length? Absolutely not. So what you have to do is cross off this and indicate that 5 is your only option because we can't have negative lengths, right? So that is it. You are now going to go on and do a Nearpod video or lesson on factoring when we have another number in front of the x squared.